Exploring the majestic mountains of Montana but feeling crushed by the weight of car insurance costs? Fear not, fellow road warriors, because let's face it, cruising through Glacier National Park shouldn't come with a financial white-knuckle ride. We're exposing the secrets of how to score the cheapest car insurance in Montana. We've got the inside scoop on how to slash those insurance costs without sacrificing coverage. From understanding Montana's minimum coverage requirements to unlocking potential discounts, we've got your back. You don't need to be a math whiz to see that saving on car insurance means more money in your pocket for enjoying those scenic drives or maybe even upgrading your vehicle. And don't forget to head over to FreeAdvice.com. Our user-friendly platform allows you to compare quotes from top-notch insurance providers, including in Montana, ensuring you get the best bang for your buck. You don't have to settle for overpriced premiums when you can easily navigate the insurance market with a few clicks. Visit FreeAdvice.com to compare quotes and take control of your car insurance costs. Make this the year you conquer the roads without breaking the bank. Let's get started. For our first stop, we'll navigate the somewhat confusing world of Montana car insurance laws and requirements. Don't worry, it's not all legalese and dry facts. Think of it as understanding the road rules before hitting the open highway of savings. Montana requires all drivers to carry at least minimum liability insurance. We're talking coverage for injuries and property damage you cause to others in an accident. Fortunately, Montana's minimums are pretty affordable. Montana's minimum required auto insurance covers up to $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident for injuries and $20,000 for property damage. Sounds decent, right? Well, what if you accidentally tap a fancy sports car and total it? That $20,000 won't even cover half the cost, leaving you stuck with a hefty bill. That's why shopping around for cheap car insurance in Montana is key. Visit FreeAdvice.com to compare quotes from top insurers in your area and consider purchasing more than the state's minimum coverage requirements to be sure you stay safe behind the wheel. Now, before we jump into comparing coverages to hunt down those budget-friendly rates, let's explore the optional auto insurance coverages you might want to consider. Minimum coverage in Montana is like the basic airbag of your insurance plan. But just like you can upgrade your car with fancy features, you can also customize your insurance with optional coverages for even more protection. We suggest you invest in more than the minimum coverage in Montana. You can purchase additional coverage at a low cost that will go far to keep you safe. For example, you can buy collision and comprehensive car insurance to keep your vehicle protected. While these coverage types aren't mandatory, they will be a huge help in the unexpected, yet all too common event of a traffic accident. Collision insurance steps in to pay for repairs to your vehicle regardless of who's at fault. Comprehensive coverage, on the other hand, protects your car from non-collision incidents like theft, vandalism, fire, and natural disasters. Tied together with Montana's minimum required coverage, these add-ons make a full coverage policy. Full coverage auto insurance in Montana is ideal for wise investors who don't want to risk paying thousands out of pocket. Yes, full coverage is often more expensive, but it could drastically pay off in the long run. Plus, at FreeAdvice.com, you can compare quotes from top companies to find affordable coverage options. When you purchase car insurance in Montana, you can also customize your coverage with additional options like gap insurance, non-owner coverage, and roadside assistance. If your car loan doesn't cover the full value of your vehicle after an accident, gap insurance prevents you from being stuck paying the difference, filling the gap for the extra amount. If you borrow a friend's ride occasionally, non-owner car insurance has your back, offering coverage if anything happens while you are behind the wheel. Plus, who doesn't love the peace of mind that roadside assistance brings? Flat tire in the middle of nowhere? No problem. Help is just a call away. But remember, adding these bells and whistles will affect your Montana auto insurance rates. And that's where FreeAdvice.com comes in. We help you compare quotes from top Montana insurers so you can find the sweet spot between coverage and affordability. So let's talk numbers, uncovering the secrets to finding cheap auto insurance in Montana. Understanding the intricacies of coverage and rate factors is like holding the key to unlocking the best deal tailored to your needs. The annual cost of minimum auto insurance coverage in Montana can vary wildly depending on your chosen insurer. So, which company offers the best bang for your buck? At the top of the pack, we have Liberty Mutual, offering the cheapest minimum coverage at an affordable monthly price of just $16. State Farm is a close contender, offering rates at $19 per month on average. And individuals affiliated with the military can get coverage with USAA for just $14 a month. Choosing any of these options would save you a considerable amount of money compared to Progressive. Progressive charges a hefty $47 per month, which translates to a whopping $372 difference per year compared to Liberty Mutual. But remember, price isn't everything. Different companies cater to different needs. So before you jump on the cheapest bandwagon, visit FreeAdvice.com. There you can easily compare quotes from top Montana insurance providers and see how they stack up head to head. It's like having a personal insurance guru in your pocket. While minimum coverage insurance might seem like the budget-friendly road to take, we strongly recommend considering more coverage for additional protection. So let's get down to the real deal, full coverage car insurance rates in Montana. Let's review the top players in the game when it comes to monthly rates for full coverage auto insurance in Montana. USAA blows all the insurers out of the water with monthly rates as low as $50. Crazy, right? Unfortunately, you must have an affiliation with the U.S. military to purchase coverage with USAA. Full coverage with Liberty Mutual costs just $59 per month, which is also a great deal. State Farm comes in close behind at $70 a month, compared to companies like Farmers, where full coverage will set you back a whopping $164 a month. Liberty Mutual and State Farm seem like incredibly viable options. In fact, if you choose Liberty Mutual over Farmers for your full coverage car insurance in Montana, you'll save a whopping $1,260 a year. But don't just take our word for it. Head over to FreeAdvice.com, compare car insurance quotes using our free quote tool, and find the company and coverage that meets your needs. Now, understanding the cheapest Montana auto insurance rates also requires understanding the different factors that can heavily affect it, like a DUI. Brace yourself, as a DUI can be a game changer when it comes to snagging the best car insurance rates in the state. It does affect your costs. So, how do you navigate the insurance landscape after a DUI in Montana? If you find yourself in the unfortunate position of having a DUI in Montana, it's time to roll up your sleeves and shop around for the best auto insurance tailored for drivers with a DUI. Different companies handle DUIs differently. State Farm takes the gold, barely raising rates after a mistake, from $70 to just $77 after a DUI. That's just $84 more a year. And if you're affiliated with the military, USAA is your secret weapon, offering rock bottom rates, even with a DUI, at just $94. On the flip side, Farmers and Travelers might sting a bit if you have a DUI, with auto insurance rates averaging $217 and $231 respectively. And Progressive charges a whopping $239 on average for car insurance with a DUI. But don't let a DUI define your insurance future. Visit FreeAdvice.com, compare quotes, and find car insurance that fits your budget, even with a less than perfect driving record. All right, folks, that's all for our Montana car insurance expedition. Don't forget, the key is comparison. Don't let one quote hold you hostage. Check out our website at FreeAdvice.com, your one-stop shop for comparing quotes to find the best companies and lowest rates for your unique needs. And while you're here, smash that like button and subscribe for more insurance wisdom. And hey, leave a comment below if you've already snagged a great deal with an insurer in your area. Sharing your experience can help others navigate the chaotic world of insurance options. Be sure to check out our other videos, like our Liberty Mutual car insurance review. We'll tell you how you could save hundreds of dollars a year and which drivers might get the most out of their policy options. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are also on the hunt for affordable car insurance. Now go forth and conquer the insurance world. See you next time.